You've shared thousands of CPA links on the internet, but still you are getting 0 clicks. That's because you are not doing it in the right way. That's why I took it upon myself to show you step by step to go by CPA marketing in this video. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you my YouTube channel. What's up guys, my name is Richmond and you're welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel, I teach people how to make money online, CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and all those stuff. So if you're somebody who really wants to make money online, all you need to do is to consider to subscribe to this channel, like the video to help the YouTube algorithm recommend my video to others, and last but not the least, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I draw one amazing video like what you're about to watch, YouTube will send you a notification instantly, guys. I'll be right back after this short intro. So on your CPA marketing platform dashboard, all you need to do is to click on offer tools and click on my offers, and it's going to load a bunch of offer on the CPA network for you to choose from that. And right after this, I'm going to show you the real way to go by these offers to make money online with CPA marketing. And the reason why my account balance is 00 for today, or my balance is 00, is that nowadays I don't do CPA marketing anymore. All I do is I do affiliate marketing. Yes, so if you want me to show you the real way to go by affiliate marketing, you can comment down below and I will show you my step-by-step guide how I was able to scale my profit on affiliate marketing. So right after that, it's going to load the offers in your country for you. So we are not looking for this because, as you can see, I'm in Ghana right now, and automatically the server is in Ghana. So as you can see, the offers in Ghana, if you try to promote this, that means you're going to run at loss. So what you need to do is to go to country section, yes, and change from this to any of the country of your choice. So I'll go by the United States offers, but I can see that nowadays United States doesn't have proper offer right now. But if you like, you can change from United States to other country. So the reason why most people are not getting clicks on their affiliate on their CPA links is that they just copy the link after clicking on that. So let's do it this way. Let me explain things to you. So this pen over here is talking about mobile install. So that means they need to install an app on their phone, and right after installation they need to use the app for a certain minutes before you'll be paid. And you can see over here. So what I'll urge you, or I'll advise you to go for, is email or zip submit. That's very easy. They need to submit their email address or zip code. Yes, so I will click on that one of these offers. So first of all, you need to check the device that the offer is in. So sometimes these CP offers they give one, and they share it according to the devices. So you can see the same offer. Yes, you can see over here that the same offer, one is on Android and one is that on the desktop device. So it's the same offer, but you need to check the device that you are targeting. So you can use this, you can base on these two offers and promote them to get results. So this video, because I don't want this video to be long, I will show you the real way step by step, but I will do the part one. In part one of this video, we are going to select an offer and create a landing page for this offer, and in step 2 I'm going to show you how you can promote this offer. Yes, so I'm not going to do that in one video. I'm going to divide this video into maybe part 2, part 3, part 4 to show you step-by-step guide how you are going to promote this without having an issue. So you can even use YouTube traffic, which YouTube get 38 billion visitors to even promote your offers. If you do it in the right way, you're going to get traffic to that. So let's click on that, and as you can see over here, all you need to do is to copy your link. And what most people do is that when they copy the link, they just share the link directly to people, and most of the networks or websites out there or the social media platforms out there are going to block you, because these links, most of them, they find it very dangerous. Yes, they think it's a virus or it's an, I don't know how to explain things to you, but they find it very dangerous that it's promoting something harmful to other people's device. So most of these websites are going to block you. Example, if you try to post this link on YouTube will block you. If you try to post this on Facebook, most of the group admins are going to even Facebook itself will not reject this link, and most of the admins won't even approve your post into their group. So what you need to do is to go to a site called Google Sites, which is free Google site where you can create a simple landing page. And if you don't like Google Sites, you can use a platform like so there are so many platforms out there that you can use to create a landing page. So you can use Google Sites or ClickFunnels. With ClickFunnels is for the affiliate marketers, but if you want to create a landing page with that, it's fine. You can use it, and you can even use Linktree to create a landing page for this link. So let me go straight to my Google Site account, and I will show you step-by-step guide how you can create a landing page for that. So as you can see, for Google Sites, it's like you're owning a simple website. You just want to create a simple website. So all you need to do is to click on this big plus over here, and right after that is going to take you to the next step to create your simple landing page for this offer. So when you take you to this place, all you need to do is to clear the dashboard of Google this site, because you don't need this default template. So you need to click clear all these things from it. So all you need to do is to click on this dustbin as icon over here, and it's going to clear everything. So as you can see, the dashboard is now empty. So if you can use these things over here, but what I will advise you to do is to double click on that, and if you want text, you can hit on that, and it's going to bring out text for you to do that. So let me click on that text, because you have to create a name for this. So in the text box, you go back to your CPA Grip account and copy what is. So it says get your rental assistance. So I will just copy that and hit copy that, come to the landing page, hit on Ctrl V to paste that, and let's maximize this and centralize the title. Let's make it bold. Let me do some small editing on that. I'll centralize it, bold, and increase the font to maybe 48. Yes, because I want it. 48 is too big. Let me decrease it small to maybe okay, 24 will be enough. Let me hit on 24. So as you can see, guys, we have the 24. The name of this offer is here. Let me go back to it, and as you can see, we needed a picture, an image over here. So I'll go back to the offer and hit on that. Sometimes you can copy the link to the image, so I'll copy link, come back to this place, hit on image. But sometimes you don't have to do that. All you need to do is to save this image on your computer. Yes, so I'll save it as a PNG file on my computer and come back to this website to upload it on that. So I'll copy save that and come back to Google site, hit on images, upload, to take me straight to my computer to choose an image. So I'll go to downloads and hit on that. This is the first image, and as you can see, it's creating an image. It's bringing up the image on the dashboard of our landing page. So if you like what I'm showing you guys, consider to subscribe to the channel. So I'll centralize this. So all I need to do is to add a call to action. Yeah, so click here to join. Then I'll add and I'll make it bold. I'll highlight the click here, only the click here, to make it bold for people to know that this is where I'm talking about. Yes, so I'll maximize the font a little bit, up to maybe 40. Highlight everything, go back to my CPA offer, click on copy link and come back to my landing page and paste the link over here by clicking on insert link and Ctrl V, and I'll hit on apply. So that means now my click here contains the link. So this is how you create simple landing page for your CPA offer. So guys, in the next video I'm going to show you how you can promote this link without having an issue. You can even promote this link on YouTube, because Google is being owned by YouTube, and this landing page is being created by this website is being created by Google. So it will be very simple for you. So all you need to do after doing all these things, you can play around with this, and all you need to do is to hit on publish. When you hit on publish, it's going to ask you to select name. So the name of your website, all you need to do, you can type in maybe name of the offer. So get your rental assistance. So you can type in rental assistance, rental assistance. So if the name is available, you can see that this round thing over here will be checked, and as you can see, it's not available. So I'll add one to it and check one to it, and as you can see, that means this domain name is available right now. So all you need to do is to hit on publish, and it's going to publish this link, this website for me as my personal website. So after publishing it, I'll click on view. So you can click on view to view your website, how it looks like right now, how your landing page looks like right now, how people are going to see this landing page. So as you can see, this is the simple landing page. When I decide to click at this place, it's going to load the CPA offer for me. So after doing this, in my next video guys, I'm going to show you the simple way how to promote this link and get results. So comment down below all your questions. I'll be there to answer you one after the other. In my next video, like I said, I'm going to show you how you can promote this link using free traffic. Yes, so I will show you how to use free traffic to promote this link to get results. See you in my next video, and until I see my next video, keep winning. Don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now. Stay safe and see you next time. My next section of this CPA marketing with free traffic method. Peace.